In this video, we are going to be going over the transactions screen in ThunderPOS for iPad. We will be showing you how to do a search, what all you can see here. We're going to just go in as a demo user. There have been a number of transactions we've already done as this user. So we're just going to sign in here. And we're going to go down to the transactions section along the bottom. And then you'll see a list of your most recent transactions here. If you want to view more details on one, you can just tap it and that'll bring you to the details. You can see all the items on it. You can add them to a return. You can see your totals, your amounts paid, the customer, all of that. Some of that info is on this list as well, but once you're ready to search, you just hit search in the top left. You can search by transaction ID, by register ID, by employee ID and customer ID, by item ID of any items on the invoice, and then by your totals, and then the totals of all of your payment types. So you can search for like somebody who spent $9 on credit card, for instance. You can filter by the status to just show completed or suspended transactions. You can search within a date range for items that have started or ended after a certain date. And you can go through and specifically search for suspended items by hitting search suspended and putting in the ID that you put in when you suspended the transaction. That'll just bring up that so that you can easily recall it. But that's pretty much the basics of doing your transaction screen. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. Otherwise, check out our other videos on the iPad version.